The Kodiak Konvert Headlamp stands to be one of the most versatile and substantial work lights, offering a solid array of light settings in addition to the adaptable form of the flashlight itself. Let's take a closer look. The package includes the work light, head strap, and a USB-C charging cable. You should always give rechargeable products a full charge before first use. The Konvert may be charged from any USB power source, including computers, power banks, or wall chargers. Pull back the rubber port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A blinking green light indicates that charging is in progress. A solid green light means that charging is complete. A full charge of the 18500 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery takes up to 4 hours. The flashlight itself is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and measures at just over 4 inches in length. The width and depth are just under 1 inch in length. The weight of the work light without the head strap attached is just over 7 ounces. The Konvert is also IPX4 weather-resistant while having a drop rating of 1 meter. There are 6 different power modes that the flashlight can be on. One click of the power button will start the light on high with 800 lumens and a 2.5-hour runtime. Each additional click will cycle you through the rest of the standard modes. The medium beam is 400 lumens with a 5-hour runtime. The low beam is 20 lumens with a 22-hour runtime. The solid red light is 60 lumens with a 6-hour runtime. And the solid green light is 100 lumens with an 8-hour runtime. Lastly, the work light has a turbo mode that can be accessed by holding down the power button for 2 seconds at any time. The turbo mode wields 1500 lumens with a 30-second runtime and a beam distance of 80 meters. The flashlight itself functions without the adjustable strap if you so choose. It has a magnetic base that can attach to most magnetic surfaces as well as a clip-on option. Insert the head straps into each of their correct slots. Make sure the straps are not twirled or tangled as you do so. After installing the adjustable straps at the correct orientation, you can use the clip-on to attach to the base plate that pivots out and in. Adjust accordingly for the correct head size.